Hello everybody. Today I'm going to introduce you another Chinese style pork dish, which is the sliced pork belly coated with the rice and peanut flour. The main ingredients are 600 grams of pork belly with the skin on, and 100 grams of rice, 40 grams of peanut. And then you need some seasonings. 2 spring onions, you slice them, and a few slices of ginger, and you put them in a bowl and add a cup of cold water and 1 teaspoon of salt, and then you squeeze them, let the spring onion and the ginger release their juice into the water. We are going to use them later. So now we are going to roast the rice. Recommend to use the short grain rice, and also you need to add a bit of seasonings in the rice. 1 star onions, 10 pieces of Sichuan peppercorns, and a nail-sized piece of a cinnamon stick, and also 2 Angelica dahurica. Slowly roast them. And in another pan, you roast this 40 grams of peanut. And at the same time, you slice the pork belly. See, with the skin on, after you cook them for a long time, the flavor is very nice. The pork belly is nice for this dish because, with the fat evenly spreaded into the lean meat part, and after you steam them, the flavor is very nice. If you really like pork dish, you can find a link in the description section for another delicious Chinese style roasted pork shoulder. Now, you look, the rice and peanut, they are all ready in a golden brown color. Remove the skin off from the peanut and add the peanut with the roasted rice. At the same time, we can prepare the other sauces. 3 tablespoons of light color soy sauce, ½ tablespoon of dark color soy sauce, 1 piece of red color preserved bean curd. And this will not only gives the flavor and also the color. You make it like this, a smooth paste, and add 1 teaspoon of sugar, and then mix them well. 1 tablespoon Sichuan style broad bean chili paste. Add together and mix well. 1 tablespoon of this sweet bean paste. If you really want to know where to find all these ingredients, or you can let me know. I will let you know where and which Oriental stores you can find all these sauces. Now we will mix all these seasonings and the sauce with the pork. I recommend you wear the glove. Slowly add the ginger and spring onion water. You can add it in 2 or 3 times, not all together, because you want to rub and mix at the same time and let the meat absorb all the juice and flavor. And save a little bit of this ginger and spring onion juice. We may need it later. So now the rice and peanuts are fully cooled down. You blend them, and then I recommend you don't make a very super fine and powder. You blend them into like a coarse, you can feel and see the rice and peanut grains. So now you can mix, add this rice and peanut flour into this pork. Mix them together. If you feel them they are too dry, so now you can add the remaining spring onion and the ginger water. Add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Coat on this pork before you cook it. So you prepare a big and deep plate, and then you lay the slice of the pork in the plate. So don't remember to use a big plate. And then prepare a big pot and add enough water. Remember, we are going to steam it for 1.5 hours at medium-low heat. So you need to have enough water in the pot. So after 1.5 hours, wow, you open this lid, you smell so nice.